Run for your health. The importance of running in daily life. Running has numerous benefits for both our physical and mental health, making it an essential part of our daily lives. Physical benefits of running. 1. Improves cardiovascular health. Running is an excellent way to strengthen our heart and lungs. It can lower blood pressure, reduce the risk of heart disease, and improve circulation. 2. Helps with weight loss. Running is an effective way to burn calories and lose weight. It can also boost metabolism, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. 3. It builds stronger muscles and bones. Running is a weight-bearing exercise that can help strengthen bones, muscles, and joints. It can also improve balance and coordination. 4. Boosts immune system. Regular running can help boost the immune system and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and diabetes. Mental benefits of running. 1. Reduces stress and anxiety. Running can help reduce stress and anxiety by releasing endorphins, the feel-good hormones that can improve mood and reduce stress levels. 2. Improves sleep quality. Running can help improve the quality of sleep by reducing stress and anxiety levels, leading to better sleep quality. 3. Boosts self-confidence. Running can improve self-confidence and self-esteem by setting and achieving goals, building discipline, and improving overall physical health. 4. Enhances mental clarity. Running can increase mental clarity and focus, making it an effective way to reduce brain fog and improve cognitive function. To reap the benefits of running, it is essential to incorporate it into our daily lives. If you're new to running, start with short, easy runs and gradually increase the distance and intensity.